Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the Ford Fiesta logo. Start by prying the grill clips with a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. First, remove the clips, then gently lift the old emblem from its pegs, taking care not to bend the grill. Clean the mounting area with isopropyl alcohol before fitting the new badge. Press the new logo firmly until you hear or feel it click into place for a secure fit. Begin by accessing the rear of the emblem through the grill or wheel well if needed, depending on model trim. Carefully depress the retaining clips or tabs while holding the emblem steady from the front to prevent it from falling. Once clips release, tilt the emblem out and lift it away. Inspect the mounting posts for broken pieces and remove any debris so the new emblem will seat properly and sit flush against the grill surface. Place the new Ford badge in position and align all mounting posts carefully with the grill holes or receptor points. If it snaps in, press evenly until you hear a click indicating secure engagement. If it uses adhesive, clean surfaces first and hold steady for the adhesive to bond. Avoid forcing misaligned posts to prevent breakage. Once fitted, gently wiggle the emblem to confirm it is secure and sits flush with the grill face for a factory look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.